Welcome back to LiveBinders. Today I'll show you how to start a binder in under 3 minutes. We're going to go to our dashboard and click New Binder. Then we're going to add a name and a description here. Note that you can edit both the name and the description after building your binder. You can add tags and a category for your binder in order to help when searching through your binders later. By default, the binder will be set to private, but this is also something that you can change later if needed. You can also share your binder privately by adding access keys. You can set multiple access keys to share with multiple people, and to remove access, all you do is delete the key. And now we can create our binder. On the top left are your editing buttons. With these buttons, you can create new tabs with just one click. The most common tab created are main tabs, which are these blue ones, and sub-tabs that can be added under the main tabs. You can rename your tabs by double-clicking on the desired tab and entering a new name. We can easily add links under our tabs. Let's add one under the main tab. To add a link, we just copy and paste the URL and click Insert. We know the link was added once it appears under the tab. The other most important button you need to know is the Plus Content button. From here, you can upload files and add text or links. Let's add a PDF file as an example. We're going to select the upload icon, choose our file, and then click Upload. We can also add some context to our PDF by adding some text to this tab. Once again, we'll go to Plus Content, select the text icon, and choose from one of the many templates available. Then enter our text and hit Save when done. Now that you know the basics, feel free to get started on your own binder. If you need any additional help, you can go to the Help button, which will link you to our help guide, or check out our tips and tricks section under the Announcements tab to learn more about your binder.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.